citation.machine.net, as you can see up here in the URL. Oh, I guess I can't make that bigger for you. But we were talking about making citations kind of the easy way, so I wanted to show you one way you could do it. And this is a website that generates your citations, right? So you're going to create a citation over here. And if you're super lucky, you can just enter the website and it will give you the information. So I clicked enter the website, that's what I'm going to work on, and I'm going to pull up an article real quick. So let's see, video game addiction, for example, since that's the one I was working on. Don't worry, I'm not an anti-video game person. Let me go down to the Silence Daily. That sounds legit, right? Is video game addiction real? So I am going to copy this. So that's Control-C if you're on a regular laptop, or Command-C if you're on a MacBook. I'm going to go back to Citation Machine, click in here, and Control-V, or if you're in a Mac, Command-V, and search. So let's see what it brings up, if anything. Yay, it brought it up. It knows which one it is. So once I click that and continue, and it says, hey, these are the things I found. And I'm like, yee-haw, let's do it. All right. Now it's going to get to a page where it's going to ask you if you know any other information that should go in here that isn't here. And we're not going to worry about that today. We're going to complete the citation. Ooh, we either have to subscribe or view a sponsored message. Thanks, Citation Machine. Oh, at least it's fast. It didn't make me do this last time. All right. And voila la la. Hopefully, here we go. Look at this. And it actually saved my one from yesterday, too. So you have two choices. You can copy the citation, which is this whole full thing that you're going to use on your Works Cited page. Or you can copy the in-text citation, which is also called a parenthetical citation, which would just give you the last name and the page or paragraph, right? We're going to go for the full doodly-doo right here, all right? We're not going to check our paper because we don't really have one, but I copied that, so I'm going to come down here to Word, and I am going to get a blank document, and I am going to Command-V for a Mac or Control-V for that, and look at that. It's doing the hanging indent that we wanted. There's no author, so it didn't put an author here. I think the one thing that I would have you guys do is to either verify there's no author or to see if Science Daily could be something we put up there. So let's look back here. We're going to go over here. Oh, Brigham Young University. So that's where this is coming from. They probably have a grant and they paid someone to write it. Let's go down to the bottom. And look at that. I could have just come to the bottom and snagged it off of the Cite This page. There's our MLA style. APA is a different one. Chicago's another one. And I could have just snagged it right here like this. Isn't that handy? I'm going to Control Copy. And it actually gives us a little more. Now, when you do it this way, notice it's not in the hanging indent you're supposed to have it in, right? I'm going to take this one out because it just doesn't have enough information. And I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to Paragraph. And then I'm going to select, what am I going to select? Here we go, hanging. I'm in the right spot. I'm just still waking up with coffee, don't worry. All right, so hanging indent. Click OK, oakley dokley, and there it is. All right, so this seemed like it was more of a tutorial of how to find it other than on citationmachine.net, but you know, that's kind of sometimes how it goes. All right, so if you want to use Citation Machine, there's that, and now we also learned that if you scroll down, maybe you'll get lucky. All right, kiddos, have a good day.